And here we have a great LED desk lamp. It's made out of aluminum alloy, it's dimmable, it's LED, it's a table lamp with 3 color modes, 6 brightness levels. Also comes with a USB charging capability port. Has very good adjustable angles, a memory function. It's for home, office, or what I'm going to use it for is my computer desk. With this sleek construction, this contemporary style lamp features robust aluminum alloy construction that is minimalistic in style and acts as a passive heatsink. It has a customizable ambiance, 18 adjustable lighting modes with 6 brightness levels and 3 color temperatures to fully customize your room according to your activity. Enjoy non-ghosting, non-flickering illumination, ideal for work, study, reading, and relaxing. You can rotate the lamp head up to 200 degrees or the lamp arm by 90 degrees to orient the light beam on your computer, reading device, or notebook. With the built-in USB charging point, it's convenient in 5V/1A. USB port frees up outlet space for your mobile phone, tablets, and other electronics. It even comes with a memory function. Supports power off memory. Set your preferred brightness and color mode only once, and the desk lamp will automatically return to the setting when the next time you turn it on. Great little package, great light, and very stylish.